was not ready for the changes. Now the stage is too much for me. Now I'm all alone.
I did it, big boss. Alright.
What do you think then?
But I know so. No matter of fact. It comes to a boom and I know what I think then. You see me? If you forward him back, that's when I can link me to come out. I'm there, I do it.
Brother, here we are going. We want to sell out them old thing there, brother, because some have some new thing for the walk coming in, brother. You see me? So we have to sell out them old one there. Yeah. Most of them they beat out in the man. If you get catch with none of them, you know, man, a problem in the brother, you know, want that, you know.
Yeah, couple ducky there for them to choose, judge. Alright. So, now I give my page on my done still.
Hold on, hold on. Yo, Jimmy. Where you going? You know, somebody did on a 5-star. Alright, she a forward. She left out already. If she not left out yet, just tell her she done a 5-star, my dear. Alright, yeah man. Alright, much. Yeah. Alright, cool. Yeah.
How that? Hi, boss. Top general from around, so
no man, that's a Jimmy man.
Oh.
A Jimmy there.
Jimmy from around.
Because watch out, man, him a selling little niece with some things.
Yeah,
What me and said, dog, we have to sell out them things.
Yeah, man, we go do the thing, man, because we don't know right now, because we're there, you know, so we're there. So I'm looking at dog, go for a little move youth, and the man says, a boom and wheel off the day, and the man run up on the end. The magazine drop out, brother. Drop out, right? The man have to run all left it right now, lose all of that, we go get it back.
Shaky move that, you know, brother, because you can't have them things and make them loose, you know. You see me?
Yeah.
But that good still, man. And then they ask me to make a little trad, you know, because I have a little cat with me and go link, you see me?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I go and hold it here, man.
That's how you go, man. I know you go.
Business are go good, man. I would have got
she this.
I wonder if I told man them that we'll forget this something.
I walk up, no, man, a long time. We have been there, so waiting, man. I think we have things to do. You have things to do, you know, man. You just, you don't know, say if you walk up, you want. You cannot walk with them up on the road.
So I'm forget.
What do you mean when you forget?
So I'm gonna forget something.
So long then. Let me ask you something. That your uncle tell us. Is this a baby your uncle send you down here with? Eh? You know what kind of business this is?
I don't know, the man give me the bag to drop off something, so I wonder if I forget something.
And you bring the bag, come and drop it off, you do what you're supposed to do. So what you want to do more than what you're not supposed to do? Or it's enough? Eh? A big man business, them pick me, them business enough to pick me, you know.
Me look like a pick me to you?
You know you behave, so who you think me a size little girl? Look for me, go look like I made you sleep last night when you piss in bed. Eh?
Sure.
I say if Jimmy never your uncle, sure you say me ain't no size. You see? Make Jimmy never your little uncle. Mind how you
No,
rank
big
your
boy, no, don't do all that.
Look
Because you know, say, boss,
at
me,
girl,
don't
move,
do
yo,
all that. You know,
yo, move right in front of my face, man. Move front of
you're
my
good.
face. Yo, move it.
No. Don't hurt that.
The lucky thing my uncle not give me gun, me shoot off the feet.
Yeah, chap. Yeah. You're good, baby.
Pass me up.
Yo, no, you're moving fast, man. No, you're good.
Yeah, man, me good, man.
You're good, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Just take care of yourself. You see me? Because I'm not like Ben money with this girl. You see me? Alright.
Public,
What
stop
going
me
on?
look a bit them who want to see you.
What you mean say want to see me?
When me not see you. From the last time you give me look a salt out, me not see you again. That's why me ask you.
So we never done no say it's just a one-time thing because me never really serious like that.
Eh?
Yeah, remember?
And you make me get fall in love with you. Like, because I think about you.
Right now, boy, I don't know what to tell you because that's so long ago and you just appear back to me now. Like say boy, if you just drop everything on me I do and just come back to you like, just like that.
But you know if you wouldn't come back and check me, if me never see you pass, you wouldn't come back and check me. Because that's good things that me see you.
So what you spend for there now? Eh? Wait,
You know what you did.
No, but me there me yeah still, but me couldn't just work out just like that. You know, I bet you find man and you sitting there.
No, something not find no man, and you me I think about.
No, me I hear some, yeah man, that's something better come to you. Because really, here we go. The real thing what happen is that no enjoy what we go on with. But me start hear some things. Some say to myself, say boy, it don't make no sense, me come pressure. Because them a say, you a girl what they are road and all these things. You are road girl, me have to take my time and take myself.
You
So
want
me
people,
take time and
you,
take
you
myself.
want make people tell a lie about how me a road girl, me there in my house every single day. You know wash me, I wash, I cook me, I cook. You know clean me, I clean. A TV me, I wash. Watch.
Yeah, watch.
Yeah.
Alright, hear me, sir. Because right now, I kind of know one different state of mind because today I have a wake-up call based on one girl me I deal with and she a tell me one for madness. Alright, so what you say I do?
No worry about she alright. Come if you come back and link me.
Where are they now?
Come here there now? Nah, do not. Me just be done and fresh up. You know, so I look nice. So I look good, not you?
Alright, follow me go down here because the friggin' car run out of gas and that's why you see me drive the car up on the road. You come?
Yeah, man.
You sure?
Yeah.
So which way you want to go before you meet me?
Me then not go nowhere.
So you just come here Santana about your
Me
house?
just, yes, I look out the road for the car, them a pass.
Alright, come on.
What a good thing say me see and
You ready?
move. Yeah, me ready, of
You
course.
serious?
I mean, I'm serious. Yeah, what kind of question that you ask me? I'm ready to come in your yard.
come
For
on.
when I see you.
Alright, come on. See me I smell like
You
gas,
just
because I will like gas to dash up on
You
me.
just ask me to be a foolish Christian,
That's
man.
cool, no, man. Hey, boy, me now.
For when me not see you, no.
Alright.
Why am I glad me see you, no?
I don't reach out,
She
chat.
not even know.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Easy. Baby.
Yeah.
Why you make me date up post there?
Why me I tell you how everything did nice a
Even though
while
me a
ago.
struggle. But, so how you go now?
No say I go me I can go back.
Alright, so make it, just make this be feel like a secret. Yeah?
This have to be a secret and feel so nice.
That's cool, no, man. So, alright, so you say, tomorrow?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Alright then.
Why you make me day, I can't forget that day.
You make me day nice. Later.
Alright.
Hey,
What
the man
you
there.
Yo, Flitter. How are you there? I can link you. Alright, me I forward. Don't move, me I come. How are you say I go and how you want to talk to me about? Flitter, I ask you one question though. How you get over daddy? Because it come like I know nothing to you. You just seem alright and everything. Daddy know say Candy go take care of you and everything, so I'm upset it same gone and everything. I have to start over fresh and everything.
You're stronger than me. I can't do like how you do. I'm upset it. He was a good father to it, but I miss him. Honestly, I miss him.
Can't put them the things up on your head. As me tell you, sir, you have to just upset so that he gone. Stop just them way you stop talk to the guardian. Just, I don't know, but everything seems to go wrong for me. The reason why I act certain ways and I just certain because I feel comfortable. You know them things, yeah. Feel comfortable. Felinita, my sister, my twin sister, I'm sorry for treating you certain ways. Oh God. Everything we try. Everything me try. Now work out. I'm sorry, Felinita. Yo, I'm gonna lie down, you know. My head hurt me. I'm gonna lie down. Alright, go and go take a rest. But wait, I don't understand how the man no call me, no come check me, no text me and nothing. How was that? You know me a girl in the yard.
Yeah, Chief. But I know your car can't fix it. I don't know what I'm going with it. You know. They're on the road today have some passenger in it. I don't know if it's because one of them is fat. Bossy shocks. But I say I go still because at the end of the days, like I said to myself, so everybody pays the same fare, so I can't live for a road. I don't live fatty a road. No, I wouldn't do that. So, I don't know if I'm because my choice now. But that mash up, then the gas pump now work because I run out of gas and all these things. So, you're going to do now. Just fix your car, and after you fix it, you can link me up. Yeah, man. Left the key with the man and make the same mechanical shop there. Yeah, boss. I know you're not going to agree with me, I say still. That's how you go. How would you say?
One.
How would you say? Chief, me call you back, Chief.
What you mean how would this yeah? Go on.
You know, depend where you depend, you know. As me tell you before, say, yo, when I deal with the Bellevue situation, when me I drive taxi and me pass Bellevue, a different route me take. You understand me I say? Me not deal with something there. So when you go tell me, hold on, when you go tell me say you're a twin, right? Your sister give me some lick, your so-called sister give me some lick up there saying, you know, mash up the whole of my hand, you know. Me I try to go get gas in a me feed car broke down and all these things, and me couldn't even manage to carry jug come around here. You understand me? I said, I don't know if that's why a vehicle now work. What you say?
So, Kwan, what may I say? That now have nothing to do with me.
What you say?
Me think say me and you did in our relationship one band. Other day you tell me say you come pick me up. You tell me say car, something do with car. Now you come tell me this. Me there me yard a wait for a call, text, or you for come drive, come see me and me no see you.
Oh man, now you beat me up on the road. You beat me up on the road to give me some thump. Eh?
Kwan, me have a twin sister.
Me no, so wait, what you tell me? Say you have a twin sister who look just like you? Come on, man, better than that, man. Me never see somebody who look just like a somebody.
Me a twin.
You a twin? How? When? Where? Eh? How first me know about that? So why you keep it a secret?
You never ask.
So what you tell me? Say you really a twin?
My twin sister name Flynn and my name Flynnetta.
She said something like that for you, you know. Hold on. Me confused. So, what she doing that so? With the backpack on her back? What she doing that so?
Me no know. Friend daddy dead, me no know. She just
Your
up
father
and
dead.
down.
You see me no know nothing about you, know, so I'm confused right now. So she up and down and walk like a man because her father dead. And that thing?
What's that so she said?
What happened? Right now, I feel like me looking in front of a mad somebody. Because you tell me say you're a twin, you give me some lick. The lick them way you give me right now, I still feel them. So I'm going to depend where you depend. Miss, Flynn, Flynnetta, whatever you want to be. Next week you go be wasabi and wasi. Me no deal with that. So take your time and enjoy your little life, man.
Really, Kwan?
What should I call you right now? Flynn or Flynnetta?
Flynnetta, my name.
Alright, hear me now. Come on, come off like me as a beast. But at the end of the day, me I tell you this. See? You have to prove it. You have to prove it to me. Me have to go see two on walk in our room and me see two on. Me can't take a word for it. I thought I could do that, but I can't. You understand what I say? Just imagine you know I walk somewhere and you see somebody just like me. I can hug you up. You know what I mean? Or you are hugging up and the person say, who you be? And all these things. See that? You see my phone all drop? Me not tell no lie. Just imagine how you don't feel. Me feel so we are apart, me feel so we're special. I mean I hug you up and I say, babe, I'm me no. And you thump me in my bum. Jesus Christ, man. Yo, I hear me. I'm sorry, but for my peace, you see how I live? Me there, so I run my taxi. See that man tell me, say, me have to go fix certain things when no money now make on the road like that. The amount of law come in right now. You understand me? I say, me can't pick up no school picnic again because basically me pick up a school picnic them, me I go pay a fine and all these things. So me depend on certain things. Me can't run a joke. And this is a joke to me. And you can't tell me say you're a twin. Alright, so tomorrow I see you and I hug you up. You what? You tell me say tomorrow you're a Flynn. Eh? I must say Flynn stone to rock stone. You me I say. If you're serious, say you're a twin, prove it.
I can't prove it to you.
You can't prove it to me?
Yes.
Well, prove it. But prove it tomorrow, boss. Because right now I'm stressed out.
Babes.
Listen to me. Prove it tomorrow or I'm stressed out. You understand?
So me stress you out?
No, but you're part of my pain right now because my chest is burning me.
But I know me.
I don't know what to say to you. Thanks for helping me, but I'll do just fine. Tomorrow, you can forward and we talk about it.
Alright.
You're Flynnetta.
Babes.
I don't believe it like that. I say sure because I look in your eyes. And me I sit here and say, Flynnetta, and me. And you know what you do? You thump me up.
Me.
Alright. As I said, I'm not going to prolong certain things. Tomorrow, we talk about it.
Alright.
Yeah?
Alright.
You alright with that?
Yeah.
Alright, man. Some people really want to feed that. Flynnetta. Stop. Right, last year, yo, you know, say a bike me there on. And I see you, and me have to top. So what I go on?
Jimmy, me don't tell you already. Say you have your woman and me have my man. Me no want you. Every minute me say, my youth, you can't stop calling me phone at night. Me all they come down and step little while and me all drop say cause me I think how you call me phone in the night.
No, Mom, I can't tap and call the phone because I like you. Mom, I like you. So
you all are confusing. Me I come down this set little months my foot broke little while.
No, man, you wanna broke, man.
Yo, stop calling me phone. Suppose my man there in my yard and you go call me phone in the night. You can't do that.
Alright, so I'll call you after 5 then.
No call me phone none time.
None at all?
Because my man jealous and me no want me and him feel no argument. Me tired to tell you.
Alright, no, you know, so I know why you behave so.
Why?
Because I'm my brother, no sure. I'm my niece.
Look here. You see your niece them? Nobody put them to me right now. Because every time you see me, talk to me about your niece, and I call my phone and I sykes about niece this and niece that. When I'm me, you they look and you're not in and out talking about your niece. But if they eat already, you know say they name already, you know say everything good down at the yard and you just say stress me out. Stop stress me out now, Jimmy.
You're going to be totally honest, you're right, you know. I because I like you, I call you. Not because I'm a niece then. So
well, Andy, so I like you like me?
Yeah.
And I love me? Jimmy, go on which party I go? So somebody I look for you. So you have your woman and your yard where you love. And you like me. So you want to keep me as matey out the road.
No. Liking is easy because you're beautiful.
Yes, thank God. And thank you very much for your compliment. But me not interested.
No, I no compliment.
What?
I truth. Compliment means I would look me and look you. Me and look you.
So now look you and look me?
Yeah, but watch you know. Me I tell you the truth with it.
You look like an idiot you come fit on me.
No, I'm not telling you no idiot. I'm not telling you no idiot.
So when make you look around every minute like you look if your woman a come, you see it?
No.
When you don't have no woman, when you
no.
stay with no woman and leave other people, woman man. Me have my man alone already, me no want you, me leave me alone. Me have my man already, leave me alone. You all make me chat foolishness.
You know so me can't leave you alone.
Why?
Me can't leave you alone, me tell you already.
No.
I'm not going to repeat it again. I'm repeat it
Jimmy, me can ask you one question?
Any question you want to ask me?
You can just block and delete and erase my number out of your phone, please.
No, me can't do it. Me can ask you one question?
Ask me.
Alright. When you meet me, you go.
I can't go nowhere with you. Me can't do it, Jimmy. Me can't do it. God knows that me can't do it. My man we in a problem with me, jealous and right now and you're in the past and see me and up here, so a problem between you and him. And you see when me go home, I stress him out and me can't take that day tonight.
You're not going to know.
Oh, you're not going to know?
You're not going to know unless if I hear.
Right now, Bush of you don't know who they see stand up here so long now. You know, say a taxi.
More you look around, you see no Bush.
Look here, a taxi me did a wait for and now. No, see man I wait for you on the bike there.
Alright, you want me to call one taxi for you?
No thanks, Jimmy. You always, it's like you can't give up. So you don't know what I mean?
No.
You not take no for an answer. That we don't know Jamaican man. When we woman say no, we mean no. But you know things say no mean yes, so now go the opposite way.
So my time, you know. You see, so my time, when you don't want to say yes, you don't say no.
That's true, but anything me say that me mean. Sorry, I march me born.
I march your born?
Yeah, I'm
serious.
serious.
So like we march your born. Alright, we're going to march, go and roll it.
No, me not march go on funny bike. See man. Hello sir. Are you a friend or your brother? Are your brother? I want to do that go. Okay, you need to call him. Because me not have no time to waste.
Alright, yeah, I say, Candy, I not give up on you. Tell me, I not give up on you. You see, man, we have you, you not know how lucky him be if you have it. So you see, anything where he might give you, I can give you triple. Yeah, man. So if he might anything where he might give you, I can give you triple time, I can give you 4 times, I can give you 10 times.
Jimmy, if you feel so you can take your sweet mouth and convince me and change my love with me for my man, I lie at you.
Yeah,
see your brother they wait for you, they just leave me alone when I take taxi.
Sweet mouth, I want to use and convince
No, me not in that. One man to me goodie. Yeah.
Okay.
One man.
I bet you make a change your mind.
Alright, try and see if you can succeed. But not with this woman, another one.
I'll call you later, you know. So even if you have to go
in
a
call me for Jimmy, me say if you block, me go block you.
Listen, even if you have to go in a bathroom to answer me. You understand what I say? Please just go
let me go and my man see a whole hand for my hand.
Yo, don't do it for me, because Candy and you, me love you know. Yeah, get that.
Father God help me, Jesus. You go on. What trouble you want to put me in, you? Your style, man, everything good. When me did want you, you never want me. Now you see me with me, man, you come in at the mid-side. No, go on. I sound not stay. When me want you, the headpiece not did it. You see next girl. Go on, where I go? Ratted. Phone a vibrate. Watcha. Oh, we fling it out now. Hello? What you say? No, man. Repeat yourself. Say Flynn runway. Say you know where she gone? You know said that little girl from me see she pick up this style like she a man. Dress like a man, talk like a man, and I can use her dead father as excuse. Me know that she did want to run it for a long time. A man she want. What? Oh, me know that? What you say? Oh, me know that there? Then from you see when they go on like him a man, you know, but a woman again. What you think? You she a use her head for me because the little girl body did in her eat. Make sure run with along. Remember say she never liked me. I do not care. And no matter of fact, me not go no police station go report nothing about nobody neither. I do my best. Me make sure say she have sitting fin yam, place clean, somewhere fi sleep. What? And she not show me no love nor no respect, and me if you go report to your police station, sorry, I ain't going nowhere. Don't bother go there, so. No. Me not walk and look for nobody. Me a no police. And me a no private investigator. Number one, guess what? Me a no security. Why me should I walk and go look for her? She not even business about it. She run your gun, make she go along. I don't care if she want gun on her own or if a man she gonna take. Her man a take her, me don't care. Me know say your sister. And the same way all me did love you, as some me did love she. Although me still love her and me still love you. But me just make you know say. The same respect when me give you, me give she. And you notice how she always talk to me like me in her size? I lucky so me never box her in her mouth. Oh, tada. Right now, me no miss her. Me not tell no lie. Me hope and pray say, what? Me hope and pray say she alright. But she could have never come back. Thank God. You know, sister Fran, she gone away house. What? Me know. But Fran, she gone the house in a piece. Yes. Me and I in no argument nor nothing. By the way, me no see you from morning. Which part you there? You gonna take man too? Or you run away too? Because me no see you. It look like the whole of you gonna take man college. And what they do no so? No, sir. Me not tell you no lie no. You see any of you run away? Me not come look for you neither. You no young and nobody in a heat. You must know me couldn't run away. One of the run away go look, me not have a figure, no, that's how I rank with me. Run away go long. No, me not say I run away. Me say if you run away too, me not come look for you, me not report it. You know what? Rain and sprinkle. Taxi me they wait for no long. And yeah, they call me things say. Eh? No, me think I sit near they call me for give me like food or money and sit because right now me hungry no long me turn up right there so. Anyway, little more. Later man. Cause you love it talking too. And you know say me done solar radio already and battery. Me not done for now. Especially when you have little dirty foot sister they tell me about. Me no want you nothing about her. Conversation closed. Alright. Like I walk, me have to go walk. Them road and no taxi for me. Can't bother.
Go on.
You have to me go and let me a little picnic.
Go on. I mean, what kind of liquor picnic? You talk about liquor picnic. You know, you one man have him one man.
Yes, but what me I try to say to you from the other day, no food no in the house. And my landlord come to me for rent money. And me not have none. A little washing when me there do.
Well on.
Nothing now go on.
You know say you could have built a house already?
Me know, but you never out the whole of my money and I don't have nothing to give me. Come
So
on.
you not eat none? You not eat none of me alone?
You know, so I don't like how you stay. Every time me have feel that kind of argument, yeah. What make you not want work?
I make you not want work.
You. And if you see one man look at me, so you always war me. Why?
Man, stop it nice.
Every minute you fight me because you just one man just simply look at me. So what kind of man you be?
Go on my house, that's what you do.
Now tell me if you
Leave
go
and
on
go
in my
on
house,
house.
me I talk to you. And me need money from you to pay me rent. And me need to get some food. Every time me in the same argument over and over and over. You always not no money. Why you broke so?
Stop worry about money. Money will come. You love worry about money too much. You have a money problem and that me can't take with you. And in the house you have to go on. You have too much money problem, man. Me don't love how you go on. I want to tell you, man. You love money too much, man. When you not go find man, but then give you money then and let me. Blouse and skirt. What I'm to you?
You are looking for your woman, me.
Yeah, man. Go and go find one.
Me,
You man
what you
since me
say?
not no money. I go look for. Blouse and skirt.
I wonder if you realize
Are you
what
going in
just
the
said to me.
house?
You are
I
telling
want
me,
to.
say, which sensible man in their right mind have them good woman and I tell them to go look man because they ask
I
for
have
money.
every minute you tell me about money,
So what
money,
if you
money.
ask about? Every minute you ask about front and you want to have this with me and that the style and me if you take in all kind of
Me
way.
never
don't
give no
understand.
money. Me never give no money.
Look here. You see the money where you give me?
Yeah,
The few little time where you give me?
yeah.
Me buy food with you and you see one near me. Me no name none
You
because
eat more on me.
you're greedy.
You eat more dumpling meat. How much you eat?
Me not count the one them where you eat, you know, because when me full the pot a dumpling,
I
me no
go on,
see
you
no
fi
money
go on in our house. You fi
Look
go
here,
on.
stop talk to me so like me a phone little pitney for your neighbor them over there so things to me over
But
there.
neighbor hear, man. Sometimes neighbor fi hear people business because you are put in a business. Go in our house. You're gonna think
And
you are
that
rule
the
me.
kind of
I know you are
family-
rule me now.
Oi,
And me I man.
and that the kind of
Stand
family
up.
you come out of.
No matter
Eh?
what you talk
The
about,
people
man.
hear people business.
They
and
didn't
tell
hear
you,
it,
well, me
man.
not like fear style. You see, if me did not say I saw you the time and me just meet you, me not bother deal with you.
You go on already, so you can't change again.
Anyway, you know.
Go on our house.
Stand about 1 hour. So where you fella back
Oh,
on
you,
me for?
so you want you sleep tonight?
No.
Who?
If you not give me no money, you ain't coming in there.
So you find
Oh.
you, man.
Can't for me. Where you just tell me something?
Go on our house and
Don't
I will no
touch.
problem.
Don't touch me. You know where you come touch me so.
So who fi touch you?
You just tell me something if you go look man.
Yeah, you can go and go look,
I
man.
know
if
you
want
come
go
and
look,
ask
man.
me if me have one new man,
What
so
you
how
mean?
that affect you?
What you mean? You look like you're a man. Go on now.
Don't touch me, man like you forget
Why?
but
Go on now.
yo, man like
Okay.
you forget bun. Left, right and
You
center.
can't give me no bud, man.
Okay. Alright, here we see.
But me want to see.
Now where you go?
In your here, why you live there?
You know rent in here. No. Take care now for me.
What you mean, so we take
No,
an
no,
in
no.
our house, me I go.
No.
Babes, you me know? In our house, me I come. Nobody harm to you.
All of a sudden, me turn babes again. Because when you feel like you call me babes, where they go? Only when time you want ride, you come off in me yard. And you always not have no protection. You think me I make you breed me?
Cool on
You think me I go make you get me
Oh,
pregnant?
one next man will breed you. Any
No,
next man breed you, man.
You
I trouble
just
between
tell
you
me
and
say
that
me
man
fi go
there.
look man. So all you want me fi go look man and still have you. They come in and
Go
like
and go look him, man. now. Go and go look him, man.
And what you go do about that?
Go and go look him, man. now.
Don't come in on my place.
Babes,
No.
Babes, watch out now. In our place, me I come. I want you.
No.
What you mean, no?
No.
Babes.
Move.
In our some me I come. In our some me I come. Alright, worry yourself. Come now, lift yourself. Right, that's why I sleep like a soldier tonight. Because your man come here. You'll find out.
Left from me yard and go along about your business. I go call police for you.
Call it, you're a soldier, you have to call.
Dirty boy, you breed me and give me 2 pitney. Me not make you breed me and give me 3. Leave me alone.
Give me pick them when me go on with them. Me
You
leave,
not
me
get them. You have to go carry me go to court for custody. You not see them not even night, morning, not all.
When
no,
you call the
nothing.
police, you're going to go to jail.
And you a go to jail because you're a thief.
Are you me thief?
You not help me pay rent, but you come on me door every time I come knock. Go
Then
about your
you
business.
amount
I
the
know
money,
you
so
follow me,
you
come
can't
down
pay
here
again.
for.
You need amount the money, man. Go on where you are.
You
Go,
know
all
no
right.
money you broke. You
Worry
just tell me
yourself,
to go
alright?
look,
Don't
man.
just
Dirty
me
boy.
arrest.
Drunk crow.
You don't know why John Crow. You gone?
Dirty boy.
I'm going nowhere,
Boy.
man.
When you
Worry
have
yourself.
good woman, you don't know if you take care of them. All you want to do is come in without protection and
Mount
give me
a
another
take care of what
one,
you
not
get.
underneath. No underneath for me.
You love this.
Boy, fry and so little dirty boy. Go
this
look
is your
work.
love. This is
Me
your
no
love.
want that again. Me tired of it. It's
You
no
love me.
man
You
in my
love
life.
me. You
Get
love
away,
me.
Abba.
You love me.
Go away.
Thanks. I'm not going nowhere, man. I'm still there.
I want to make your face look so master.
Why, mama, there and me there are going easy now. Or yourself, man. Just there are going easy.
Alright, maybe a woman problem.
Say anything you want, say, man. Everything nice, man. That you always put on your head and talk about problem. When you see man face look away. No problem you did them, man. I just say go. So what you have to do?
No problem. Flame! Flame! I wish you the man here call her and she always answer me. Flame! Flame!
How that?
Oh, Candy. What happened?
Jesus, hold on there. Can't bring up people here fast. Yes, man, I'm looking at people house. Hold on, me they come. I want to know.
I Flame, me can't look for her. I not see her. I wonder where she there. She's not there.
Why you come on me yard?
Ah, Jesus.
I want to sit down and I'm afraid to sit down sake of you. I have to lock my door sake of you. Can you just fast and always a peep in my house? So what happened? You miss something down at your yard?
No, me can't look for my friend, but me a call her. But me reach out there, so me a call her and me not hear her. So that's why me knock the door. So what make you go on so Candy?
How much time I tell you, say, if you come on me yard, you come and ask every minute. Where feeling there? Me say if you stop come on me yard, me no want you and her for friend. Because guess what, you know? Me not even want to chat make your neighbor in here. She gone.
So you take out the stress for me, so like you have man problem now. No, talk the truth. Talk the truth, Candy.
One time, I listen to you when I don't talk.
Yeah, take out the stress for me, no bother with it this evening. Me come to call look for your where she name Flim, and me no see her, me no hear her, and then you cuss me. I may not have nothing.
John Crow, me come here and report to you. Observer. Observer. International gleaner. Me come and report to you. Say me have man problem. You think say if me and my man in a problem, me could have ever come tell you my story and you can't keep your mouth? Girl, you see the same thing why me no want you and Flynn a friend and come in and me and come mix up people. You can a blender.
Me a listen to you. Me a listen, cause you must know if me a blender, you me a blend.
Me realize
you
you blend me. Yes. So you come now we come find out. Cause your ear say she missing, so you want to come hear it from me now. So what? She missing,
I
she
wonder
gone.
I wonder if you see him want make she missing and I can't go on like say no you make him missing. I me come and I call her for you say, oh she's not here or she missing or something. You start
Girl,
take
don't
me
have
on.
style in me yard. You figure say your yard you stand up
Me
in?
know say me yard me in.
Okay, so careful of how you talk to
Me
me
know.
because we broke up here in here.
You're lucky because you have a man problem. Go and go broke
My
up your man.
man problem is not your problem.
Go
I'm not make
broke
no report to you.
You not make no report. Me hear your man on the road. Me a pass a man a while ago and hear him loud. That's why me can know. Hey, I come turn up out the sun and see the girl Candy and I say, go on. Him a go lick you down because you have money and give him bun and one bag of
You
something.
hear my man pan
Me
road the
pass
car.
him out the road a while ago and chat one loud all people have to say, young man, stop the noise. Yeah, me no business, me a chat loud. Make them hear. So that's why me a say it. I want me hear him at chat so you can come see me.
You are my man in a business.
Me and him in
You
a
and him
business.
sit down and a discuss about me.
pass-
Till you
me
know
a
for me and him
pass him a
business. So
while
you
ago
come
and
to me
hear
with it
him.
now.
Pass me a pass on the road.
A
and
problem
him a
here,
go.
look. You see the same reason why I lock my door? Because you're fast, you're very inquisitive and love know people
Me
business.
no business why in your house.
Anyway.
Me no want why in your house. And when
You're
your
a
house.
thief for a long time,
Me?
dirty girl. And you,
Go along with your business.
you are one of the reasons why Flynn have to run with gun.
Me?
You!
Flynn tell me say you cheat her bad. Flynn tell me say you beat her, you not give her enough food. I make she maga so and stress out.
You know what
You
say?
are stress
Me
out.
not tell her
Flynn.
say, she not tell her so because I know her dirty attitude and her dirty style already. You hear? But as I put up my right hand, you see, me can swear. I never put me hand on her yet.
That's for your
hear
business
me?
if you want to put up your right hand to God.
Are
That's for your
you
business.
and her, they got road at daytime go catch man. So she run with gun and think me, I go call police, the police go look for her. She could have never come back.
Me and I go catch man. Me nah no time to carry your
You know about talking
legal
now?
road.
You know, me tell you something if me never tell you from the beginning. For a long time, you dey come round fling. Me know you from your little son. And you grow up. Remember, say me know the school where you go. Take man college, so me never want you broke her out. But you know, make no sense. Me did tell you, say, leave me yard alone. Cause see there, she gone. Now you come and use the head for me.
Why you want to talk a foolish
No, you come and use the head for me like you don't know
it's
what she there.
You see, for your man a community rare, you know. Cause you whole like girl in
My man a
community
rare.
Yes.
For me man a community
Not
rare.
me.
Hey, girl, come on, Tamia. Come on, Tamia. Come on. Come on.
Hey!
You bicycle, you in the ride. Wait till I hold you, dirty girl.
What?
Wait till I hold you. Wait till. How you do?
I be a white man me there with where your man a crosses. Me no want your man crusty.
Don't say girl. Wait till me hold you. Big and dunce and fool. I'm back at the class today. You can't chat to me. What you mean me can't spell my name? Girl, remember say you know, when hungry did that kill a little dirty nastiness. Me write bulla. Bulla. Write the word bulla upon a piece of bread and give you. And you near me ask you what. You say it's bread. You cannot spell bulla and you can't spell bread. Don't hear me again.
You a chat and you cannot spell bulla nor your name. You can't spell your name. You I don't know body. You can't talk to me. Flame tell me how you have him up here making him hungry. Making him lay down in a bed whole day and I tell him to go sleep and one bag of thing. When me come to him to camp on the road to buy more ice cream, you go tell me, say, me not to come at your yard. Where? You dirty drunk. I don't man me pass him out the road out there so. How him a cuss? Your man no want you, your man say nah give you no money. Cause him a go give one next girl him money and me tell him say no do that. And you come, go on with your business you idiot. You see you girl, me go hold you on road. Where? Me so hold you. I will hold you. You go on.
Come here. Hey, girl. Oh, you
I know you mean that talk. I know you mean that talk. I know you mean that talk. Sorry, Daddy. Sorry. I know you mean that talk.
Don't play with me. No play with me. Any girl will take me man, me bust up their face. Wait till I hold about and me and did that chat. I pay them out you have. Okay. All you want fling and fling it. God, if you know how me glad she run we gone. Father God, as me I look up on you right now, me not to report it to the police then. Because me no want her back around me. That girl there crosses. Remember me tell you that. And dirty Ashley. Girl, if me hold you today, you will know if I know you me did that talk Candy, and you me did that talk who you too. Me no play with people. Oh.
Certain problem. I'm there going to build a man get all the one can between them. No joke thing with the fun right now. Seems like he a man down there too. See all the one Ashley pass go down there too, you know. I don't like them style, you know. I wonder what kind of problem going down there. I mean I hear things too, you know. There's some war going down there or some sitting. Love woman company too much. I tell him so woman will put him in a problem. You know? I say, we don't love me love her. I don't say nothing. When I hold her, see, things go good, man. Wait. Call him about 40 times already. I call him about 40 more. Most get her. Think a joke. They help and speak to me. This is a number I call for the rest of my life.
That girl don't know it grieve me, you know. They like grieve me our heart. True, she a keep me man. I it make she come, she brave. I make her come in the yard to go warm me. Okay, you know say me head sick. How what call me?
Must get her. If you dash your phone, something have to go on. Okay. Peace and safety. Sun destruction.
What you? No, you call me for. I'm like you're deaf, my youth. Don't call me. You know what I mean when people hang up phone pound you, that means don't call me. Come in me that can exaggerate a little dirty nasty self. Dirty foot, butter foot boy. When I pick up off a road, you look dirty tear pants boy. Me buy clothes, gear, slippers, everything. You look like a smaddy. You look like smaddy now. You Tap Frank call me phone. Idiot. You know what you again, Jesus. You know what? Me right drunk crossing. What?
Yes, Candy. What go on, babes? Yeah, man, I'm glad how me get to you, man. Why pray now? I want to you, man. Yes, man, you know, so me have to call you and make everything alright. I don't know, say me rate you, you know, man. Everything I got up on the right mission, you know, man, between me and you know. Everything good, you see it. Not have to worry your brain about nothing, man. You know, so me love you. You are my wife, you know, man, for life. See how long me I call you. And I'm going like, you know, answer the phone and sitting there. You know, so me there stress over you.
No. Nobody start. Don't start, no start. No. Me no want you back at me yard and you can't friend me up. You can't friend me up. You just come in at me yard, come style me. And they go on like you want bad me up. And me appearing for this. You not buy nothing. You say you not give me no money. Every minute you want come sleep, nyam, drink and go. Don't know what you will me tissue like you buy. Can't work. Every time you come on my yard, you have running belly.
The roadside me there right now, sit down. Over there me a plan to come right now. What you deal with? Can't come over.
No man. Look at your things them for your yard before you come on my yard. Other day you come on my yard, you bung up my toilet. Me no know that. Me done with you. You feel say me wouldn't find out say you little dirty butterfoot Ashley there. What? Hey, oi. Me not hear nothing from you. Don't friend me up. Me I know your babes. Don't call me babes. Don't ask me if you can come on me yard and tell me say you come down. Come down where?
Yeah, I want to come over, man. I want to you, man. I'm stressed out over you and sitting there, man. Well stressed.
Where? When? How and why? Come back a me yard? Boy, come off of my phone. Take come like you don't know what you say to me. Me a listen.
Yeah, man. Don't worry yourself, babes, man. I want to come over there, man. Oh, yeah, make your thing look so, man. You know, say I love you and everything, you know, man. You're my number one wife, you know, man. I rate you and everything, man. So what you deal with?
Go and go there with Ashley. No call me no wife. Me no number one wife for you. You're too wicked and liar. So you. Me not even say no man. Because me no want class every man as the same thing. But you drunk crow. Are you me and talk? You can't trick me. You're not coming back here. You're deaf. Me say you ain't coming back here. Okay.
Brain mash up here. So I like how you make your thing look, you know, man. You know, make me come over. You have to make me come over, man. I want to you. Don't know, so I love you and everything, you know, man. Me there easy, man. I want to you, man. Then babes, how are you, man? Love you in a youth. I want to you, youth. They are stress and everything, babes.
Me don't want nothing from you. Nothing at all, me don't want from you. Don't deal with me, avoid me, go look for your butterfoot girl. You little idiot girl who want to come style me. Lucky, I should have bust up her dirty face. Who you to? If you know me, know, you're not in no argument with me. All of a sudden, me turn babes. You're not in an argument with me. All of a sudden, me turn babes. You tell me, say, me fi go look man. So how you send me fi go look man and then I come call me babes? I'm me, your number one wife. Think before you talk. The word from your mouth defile your body. Don't deal with me. Come off on my phone. Drunk, bro. Idiot. Right now.
Yeah. Why me? Pain is all I see. My father, why you had to leave so soon? Now I'm all alone, all alone. You said you would be my friend throughout my circumstance. Oh yes, you did, Father. I'm not doing good without you. I guess I'm not that strong. I was not ready for the changes. Now the stage is too much for me. Now I'm all alone.